Yeah, so much going on here before we officially hit the election year 2024. We only got a few more weeks left in this current year, and specifically the campaign to provide access to abortion needs about 400,000 signatures to qualify for the ballot. The campaign says their goal is to collect nearly double that number. If it does make the ballot, supporters hope Arizona follows other states like Kansas, Ohio, where voters there approved legal protections for this medical procedure. And surrounded by Republicans and independents, the Democratic governor, Katie Hobbs, signed the petition this morning near the Capitol. Polls suggest that protecting legal access to abortion carries widespread appeal among voters of all political stripes. Currently, abortions are legal up to 15 weeks in Arizona, the only exception being to save the life of a mother. The Abortion Access Act would allow the medical procedure up to the point of viability, which is typically about 22 to 23 weeks. Hobbs warned that the state Supreme Court could soon reinstate a law that dates back to the territorial era, which could ban nearly all abortions.
In Arizona, we are just one bad court decision away from an 1864 abortion ban that carries prison time for doctors and provides no exceptions for rape or incest. And that bad court decision could come any day now.
Longtime anti-abortion activist Kathy Herod and the Arizona for Center policy, who's been against this effort, has said in a statement that the proposed abortion amendment would bring California-style abortion law to Arizona. The vague language would go far beyond what most voters support. Herod and her group, they believe that this proposal is too broadly worded and could lead to legalizing late-term abortions beyond that 22 to 23 week time frame. Back over to you guys.
We've seen proposals like this in other states, I think in Ohio, be pretty successful. Do you think a measure like this could have down-ballot effects for Democrats in November?
Well, that's what Democrats really are hoping for, that this will drive out a lot of female voters, people who support this kind of thing, Democrat base, those types of voters, and it could color the entire election, not just for this, but for other big races up and down the ballot. You're talking about the U.S. Senate race all the way down to, and this is going to be a big outcome next year, who controls the legislature, both the House and the Senate.
Definitely a lot to look at. Thank you, Dennis.